Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Zurich for professional liability insurance access, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by visiting the official Zurich website. Locate the insurance section on the homepage. Click on Professional Liability Insurance to learn about the options available. Scroll down to find the Register button and click it. You will be redirected to the registration page. Fill in the required personal information, including your name and email address. Create a strong password for your account. Confirm your password by entering it again in the designated field. Provide your business details, such as your company name and type of profession. Enter your contact information, including your phone number and address. Review the terms and conditions carefully. Check the box to agree to the terms before proceeding. Click on the Submit button to send your registration. You will receive a confirmation email shortly. Open the email and follow the verification link inside. This will direct you back to the Zurich site to finalize your registration. Log in using your newly created credentials. Now, you can access information and apply for professional liability insurance. Explore the coverage options and select the one that suits your needs best. Complete the application form with the necessary details. Submit your application and await a response from Zurich's support team. Once approved, you will receive your policy documents via email. You are now officially registered and can manage your professional liability insurance with Zurich online. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.